Hi there, Dori Sukup here with a member spotlight. She is so special. I'm happy to introduce you to Dr. Treto, Aileen Treto. She's a physician who has been in practice for about 7 years in actually family medicine, OB. And 4 months ago, she opened up a medical spa. She's currently building her team and has a big dream for succeeding and expanding in the future. Well, we met Dr. Treto in a medical conference, and she received a copy of my book. Not the newest one, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa, but if you don't have my new book, you definitely need to get it. So she said, this is a quote, by the way, from her. She said, "I cannot give enough praise to this book. It is concise and has valuable information for anyone in the med spa business." I finished the book 3 weeks ago and started focusing on increasing my volume per guest that Dori talks about. And I was able to double my revenue for the entire month, even though I took 1 week off to celebrate my birthday. So here's a person that we met at a conference, just bought the book or received the book, and was able to double her revenue from what she did previously, not in 4 weeks, in 3 weeks, because she took 1 week off. She absolutely loved the information so much that her husband and her decided to become high achiever members with InSPAration Management. So they've now hit the ground running and are planning on having the most amazing business. I love working with them because they're so eager and so motivated to implement the content that we teach. So this is her daughter, Luna. And look, she's reading one of my books, actually. Isn't she adorable? She's only 19 months old. And we had sent them the gift box that we usually send new members. And she loves her little InSPAration Management bear. And she's reading already. So cute. I love our members. We have so many great, talented people that are so eager to succeed and grow their business. And nothing makes me happy than to see new members. I really wanted to feature a newer member for you to show you that it doesn't matter how long you've been in business, whether you're brand new, opened just a couple months ago, or whether you've been in business for a long time. It does not matter. There's always room for improvement and always room for growth. And that's why I'm so happy to have Dr. Treto as a high achiever member with her husband and her beautiful daughter, Luna. And I know, I'm confident, as a matter of fact, that they are going to set the world on fire and have a super successful business. So help me congratulate them on being a member and on doubling their business the very first month that they actually became a member. So thank you so much for being in our community. And if you are not a member and would like to learn more, then go to InSPArationManagement.com and go ahead and apply, learn about how to become a member so you too can double your business, not just for 1 month, but month over month over month. So I wish you all a great month. Congratulations to Dr. Treto, and I'm sure that you're going to continue your success path into the future. Help me congratulate her. And welcome to our community. Thank you so much for being part of us. Until next time, stay inspired. Bye now.